Today's topic of discussion is essential nutrients for plant growth and development and their functions. A mineral element is considered essential to plant growth and development if the element is involved in plant metabolic functions and the plant cannot complete its life cycle without the element. Usually, the plant exhibits a visual symptom indicating a deficiency in a specific nutrient, which normally can be corrected or prevented by supplying the nutrient. 16 elements are considered essential to plant growth. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are the most abundant elements in plants. The photosynthetic process in green leaves converts CO2 and H2O into simple carbohydrates from which amino acids, sugars, proteins, nucleic acid, and other organic compounds are synthesized. The remaining 13 essential elements are classified as macronutrients and micronutrients, and the classification is based on their relative abundance in plants. Macronutrients are divided into three categories. Number 1, basic elements. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are basic elements. Primary elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Secondary elements are calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Micronutrients are often referred to as minor elements, but this does not mean that they are less important than macronutrients. Micronutrient deficiency or toxicity can reduce plant yield similar to macronutrient deficiency or toxicity. The 8 micronutrients are manganese, chlorine, iron, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, and nickel. Let's discuss the functions of the essential nutrients in plant growth and development. First one is carbon. Carbon plays an important role in photosynthesis by carbon cycle. Carbon forms the basic molecular components of carbohydrate, protein, lipids, starches, cellulose, and nucleic acid. It also plays an important role in nutrients absorption. Carbon is the primary energy source and building block for plant tissues. Next element is hydrogen. Hydrogen is necessary for building sugars and other molecules to produce glucose for plant energy. It is also important in photosynthesis. Nearly all organic compounds contain hydrogen atoms. Next element is oxygen. Oxygen is responsible for cellular respiration in plants. It plays a critical role in photosynthesis, respiration, and in nutrients absorption. Plants acquire oxygen by breaking down carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Nitrogen helps in increasing growth and development of all living tissue and also increasing germination of crops. It is important in protein production and it increases the utilization of phosphorus and potassium. It also improves the quality of green leafy vegetables. Phosphorus, it promotes root formation and growth. It improves the quality of roots. It is involved in photosynthesis, respiration, and cell division. Potassium. Potassium helps in translocation, also imparts vigor and growth to plants. The plants are more tolerant to drought, cold, insects, and diseases. It improves the crop quality and it plays a role in osmoregulation of water and other salts in plant tissues and cells. Calcium helps in improving plant vigor. It influences intake and synthesis of other plant nutrients. It is also an important part of cell walls. Magnesium. It is a constituent of chlorophyll. It increases photosynthesis and regulates uptake of nutrients. It also promotes the formation of oils and fats. It also assists in translocation of phosphorus and fats. Sulfur is essential for protein formation. It helps in synthesis of glucosides in mustard oils. It also promotes nodule formation. Let us now discuss the functions of micronutrients. Iron plays a key role in nitrogen fixation. It helps in photosynthesis. It also helps in the formation of chlorophyll. It acts as oxygen carrier and helps in protein synthesis. Copper plays an indirect role in chlorophyll formation. It improves flavor in fruits and vegetables. It helps in respiration. It plays a major role in reproductive stage. It also enhances the fertility of male flowers. Manganese also aids in chlorophyll synthesis. It plays a key role in photosynthesis. It also increases the availability of phosphorus and calcium in plants. Zinc helps in reproduction. It also helps in forming the growth hormones. It is necessary for chlorophyll production. It aids in seed formation. Molybdenum. Molybdenum helps in synthesis of protein in the plants. It helps in nitrogen fixation by rhizobium. It also helps in increasing the availability of phosphorus and sulfur in the soil. Boron. Boron helps in proper development of tissues. It also promotes maturity. It is essential for cell wall and seed formation. It also affects the water absorption by roots. Chlorine. Chlorine is very essential for photosynthesis. It is also functional in osmoregulation of plant growing on saline soils. It interferes with phosphorus uptake. And chlorine in abundance suppresses the plant diseases. Nickel is very important in iron metabolism in plants. It also plays a vital role in urea metabolism in plants. It is an essential nutrient for monocotyledons and dicotyledons for completion of plant life cycle. Initiative of IBPS AFO 24/7 test series by Clarity. In this test series, you will get daily subject-wise test, multi-level question, time-based QRE practice questions, weekly full-length test, and also detailed explanation. Along with that, you will get all the current affair related agricultural questions as well. Get yourself enrolled now.